Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm probably gonna paint the rest of the cage. I already got the 2 cans of paint and probably start painting bits of the floor in the back seat and stuff like that. But before I start, I just wanted to show you, as you can see, that's my car on a shirt. I finally made my first merch item. It's $23.98. I tried to price it really low. I don't know if that's a lot of money for you guys or not, but usually most YouTubers, I see them, their shirts are like $30 and more. I wanted to make mine less. It's not really about the money. I just wanted to give you a product because a lot of you want to support me. You guys can support me with this. Like I said, 100% of the profits from this go into the car. They all go into the car. So I just want to show you that. The link's going to be in the description below. I'm definitely going to probably do the exact same thing with the sweatshirt, but that'll probably have to be about $40. This website gives you like 3 or 4 different options for t-shirt quality. This is by far the best t-shirt quality you can get on this website. It costs a lot more, but if I'm going to be selling something with my name or car on it, I'd like it to be good. Same thing for the hoodie too. It would be a full cotton hoodie that's good quality and stuff like that. I still have the floor left to do, which I might have to do another day because I still have to clean that up, and I'd rather wait for all this to dry. So I don't really know when the next video is gonna be, but whatever. It's supposed to like rain for like the next 2 or 3 days. Like I think starting tonight at midnight non-stop, it's just supposed to rain. So I'm gonna go zip tie the tarp back on, and I'll actually zip tie it well so the wind can't blow it, because the battery's disconnected completely. As you saw, the main power wire is just laying in the middle because I completely took it out, and that means I can't roll up the windows because normally I would tuck the tarp in there. But so what I've been doing is kind of folding the tarp over the car and zip tying it to the door handles, to the front wheels, and to the back wheels, because it kind of keeps it in place, and then all the rain just kind of rolls off. Like I said, just the floors left to do, and that's probably gonna have to be done till on Monday or Tuesday or something like that. Plus I need more paint. I didn't realize how much cans this would take. It takes like as much cans as it takes to paint a whole car for some reason.